Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Looker Studio for data blending from BigQuery step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Looker Studio website. Once there, click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. If you do not have an account, select Create an account and follow the prompts to set one up. After logging in, you will be taken to the Looker Studio dashboard. To start blending data, click on the Create button in the top left corner of the screen. Select Data Source from the drop-down menu that appears. In the Data Source options, find and click on BigQuery. You will be prompted to authenticate your Google account, if you haven't already done so. Once authenticated, select your project and dataset from the BigQuery interface. After selecting your dataset, you will see a list of available tables. Choose the first table you want to use for blending and click on Add to Report. Now, return to the Data Source Creation screen to add another BigQuery table. Select Add a field if you need to create calculated fields for your data. Follow the same authentication process if prompted again. Once you have added all necessary tables, click on Connect to create your data source. Looker Studio will then display the fields available from your BigQuery tables. You may now rename your data source for easier identification. For blending your data, click on Blend Data from the available options. In the blending interface, select the primary data source you want to use. Next, click on Add another data source to include additional tables. Define the join keys as needed for the tables you are blending. Choose the appropriate join type based on your analysis needs. After setting up your joins, click on Save to confirm the blending settings. You will be redirected to the report view where you can visualize your blended data. Customize your report layout by adding charts and tables as desired. Finally, review your visualizations to ensure they accurately represent your blended data source. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.